Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking garage door openers, and in this video I want to show you how you can access your part number and your model number for your garage door. And you'll need these numbers when it comes time to buy replacement parts. Let's go out to the garage and take a look. From here we are going to climb the ladder carefully. Obviously you do not want to fall off a ladder during the project and hurt yourself. That would be no fun. Plastic cover here, carefully pull that out. And right here, again, the Chamberlain brand. Here is the part number, the model number. We need that information to go to the internet and refer ourselves to the user owner's manual. From there, we can read more about our error code. That's it, YouTubers. See, a very quick and friendly DIY project. Hey, do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching.